Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do basically one English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video that is about describing something you couldn't afford before but you recently bought it. So this is the cue card which I'm going to speak in this video. So hope you watch this video till the end and you will find a lot of valuable things which can use it in your English speaking as well. And if you want to basically learn English, so you can listen first, and then after you can try to basically build your confidence, and then after you can basically slowly you can start speaking from the day to day. Like you need to basically get some sort of time to for your English practice as well if you want to learn something. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So if I talk about like valuable thing which I bought recently, it was like a laptop which I've been basically want to basically acquire from last like 5 to 10 years back, because from my childhood I always want to bought laptop or wanted to buy laptop, because there are a lot of things which we can do by these accessories, such as like gaming and editing, and you can say watching videos, educational videos. So these all things I always want to do, and before that I didn't have some sort of money to bought it expensive laptop. So I basically save and just earn some sort of money, and because of that I'm able to basically get the amount which I need to spend on the particular laptop. So I basically feel like very happy when I bought it, and bought it around 50k or 60k, around that, between that. And it was a very fruitful things once I acquired, because the value which get it the value which I'm getting from the laptop is absolutely amazing, because I want to switch myself from my cell phone to laptop, because in the cell phone there is a lot of things which is very distracting, but once you switch to the laptop, basically you need to basically concentrate on one thing. That's why I bought it. And along with that there is a lot of basically expense, such as like I bought it multiple books that costing me a lot, but once I basically bought a laptop, so in that particular I can read from it only. And if I talk about like educational videos, I can basically watch it from the laptop, which is very great for my thing, right? So that's why I bought it. Basically there are major areas, such as like it can help me to like to basically do things faster. So yeah, if I talk about the cue card, that is it. I think I've spoken around 2 minutes, because I've started from the 1 minute, and so stopped like after completing 3 minutes. So yeah, in this video I can probably say that I have spoken at least for 2 minutes. So yeah, I'm pretty confident about uploading my next videos on YouTube as well. So yeah, this was a very fruitful journey which I'm living, and nobody can basically think about that. Like somebody can also do the things which I've basically planned like 2 to 3 years back. So yeah, this is amazing. I feel happy whenever I see myself past 1 to 2 years back, and there's a lot of people who still want to basically do the same thing, but still they are struggling, and they are their fear which is lacking themselves to basically take action. So you never need to basically focus on that particular area, just need to focus on the outcome, which is most important, and keep working every day. So that is the important part of everyone's life. So hope you guys like it and enjoy this video. Bye bye, have a good day.